Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hachett. We're coming to you from the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and we have a hot looking boat just for you. Welcome on board the Cigarette Racing 41 Nighthawk SD. Step on board with me and see what she's all about. So we have great access to the boat off the transom end. Without the outboard engines on it, I can get up on the port and starboard side easily, and then I have a starboard side boarding door, and of course we have 3 seats facing forward for 3 more guests. You can invite your friends and their friends too. Can you feel it? Can you sense it? That's right behind me. We don't have outboard. We have twin Mercury Racing 1100. Man, these Mercury Racing engines, they have so much power, so much torque. You're gonna get up out of the water in no time, and it's gonna carve up the turns like nobody's business. So these 1100 Mercury Racing engines gets this bad boy going 100 miles an hour. And without the outboards on the back, you got plenty of room to relax, and it's got a very sleek style, and it really adds to the total sexiness of this boat, and it gives the ultimate in performance. So let's talk about the details. This 41 SD Nighthawk is absolutely eye-popping, but it's 46 feet long, it's got 11 feet of beam, and it has this massive hardtop to give you the ultimate protection while underway. So this is carbon fiber, super light, great performance. We have a rainwater shower, and for our second row of guests, we also have telemetry available so everybody can see and enjoy the ride performance. Let's talk about the seating here. First and foremost, we have this beautiful handcrafted upholstery, and again, it's cool, so it's cool on the body. And all 6 seats have an innovative seat, so while you want to sit and relax, maybe go at 6 knots, the seat's in the seated position, but when you're ready to giddy up and go, I have just as much padding and comfort for my back while I'm underway. It's a really nice setup and design, well engineered. Safety is the #1 thing on any boat, and a rocket ship like this, we have great safety in mind because we're on the center line driving, full command of this vessel. I got triple 17-inch Garmin displays. Most importantly, I have 360 degrees of view, great visibility up here, all my telemetry at hand, including my Mercury vessel view. So the luxury continues down below in the cabin. So that blue and black is absolutely eye-popping in here. Everything you need for the night on the hook, including over 6 feet of headroom. I'm 6'1", and I have plenty of headroom left. We got natural light, regular light, sink. What more do you need for a night on the hook? This is a great boat to have friends with. Why is that? Because everybody can have a good time and enjoy the ride or a day at the sandbar. So up forward, we have this beautiful European lounger. When you're going fast, you're nice and tucked in. I got my cup holders. And again, the upholstery is absolutely gorgeous. As we step forward up here into the forward part of the bow, check out the rolled seats here, the stitching. I have storage underneath, and of course, while everybody's underway, everybody can keep their eyes on the telemetry of the engines, how fast we're going, maybe charts, because I have a Garmin here forward as well. This boat is eye-popping. She can perform like nobody's business, and it's ready for you and your friends. But honestly, what you need to do is you need to step on board for yourself. You need to take her out and take her for a sea trial to put that gear down and see what these IOs can do for you.